Welcome to this tutorial on improving image quality in PowerPoint in just 2 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to adjust settings in PowerPoint to ensure that the images in your presentation appear crisp and clear. This process is not only simple but also effective, allowing you to enhance your slides with better visuals. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If PowerPoint is not already running, locate the application icon and double-click it to launch the program. Once the application is open, find your specific PowerPoint presentation and open the file that you want to work on. With your presentation now visible, you are ready to make the necessary changes. With the presentation open, turn your attention to the top left corner of the screen where the main toolbar is located. Click on the File tab, as this is the gateway to many of the settings within PowerPoint. The File tab is essential because it provides access to various configuration settings that can impact the overall performance and look of your presentation. After opening the File menu, scroll down until you see the Options entry. This option is positioned toward the bottom of the menu list and is where you can configure multiple aspects of the program. Click on Options to open the PowerPoint Options dialog box, which displays a range of settings designed to customize and fine-tune your experience in PowerPoint. Inside the PowerPoint Options dialog box, locate the section labeled Advanced. Choosing Advanced will bring up additional settings that affect many different parts of the software's performance, including aspects that govern the appearance and clarity of images. Within the advanced settings, search for the drop-down menu labeled High Fidelity. This menu contains several options related to image quality. Click on the High Fidelity drop-down to reveal the available settings. From the options presented, select the one that is marked 330 ppi. This setting of 330 pixels per inch is chosen because it is known to provide an excellent balance between detail and file manageability, ensuring that images are both sharp and efficiently stored within your presentation. After selecting 330 ppi from the High Fidelity drop-down, complete the process by clicking the OK button. Doing so will confirm your changes and apply the new image resolution settings to PowerPoint. With the modifications in place, return to your presentation to see an improvement in the clarity and crispness of your images. By following these steps, you have successfully enhanced the image quality in your PowerPoint presentation. The adjustment of these settings is a straightforward yet powerful way to upgrade the overall look of your slides without a significant time investment. Now that the images appear more refined and professional, you can be confident that your presentation will capture the attention of your audience and effectively convey your message. Enjoy working with your newly improved presentation and the crisp visuals it now offers.